Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had started with a bar plot in Matplotlib. And today let's go ahead with multiple bar plots in Matplotlib. How can we get multiple bar plots in Matplotlib? We will see it in this particular session. A multiple bar graph is a graph that has multiple bars for each category. So in the previous session, we had seen only one single bar plot. Here we are seeing multiple bar plots. So it has multiple bars for each category. A multiple bar graph compares as many sets of categorical data as you want. So here on the first day of the week, that is Monday, we are having three bar plots. One is in red color, one is in green, and one is in blue. So these are the multiple bar plots for each of the category. We can give different colors for different sets of data. So for each of the data, we can give different colors. So suppose the red is server 1, green is server 2, blue is server 3. So the throughput on Monday for each of the servers, they have represented in three different bar plots. So this contributes the multiple bar plots in Matplotlib. So in today's session with an example, let's see how multiple bar plots work in Matplotlib. So in our previous session, we had seen X data and a single bar plot wherein we had video 1, video 2, video 3, video 4, video 5 and the number of views in the y-axis. So these videos were for one particular category. Now let's have different categories and see how we can come up with multiple bar plots. So initially, let me say import numpy as np, import matplotlib.pyplot as plt, and now let me have my videos for each of the categories. The first one is Facebook data, the data for the Facebook. So let me have it as equal to 100, 123, 124, 150 and 180. So this is the Facebook data. And now let me take YouTube data, YT underscore data, 100, 223, 230, 108 and 120. So this is the data for the YouTube. Now let's have Twitter data, Twitter underscore data. So that is equal to 200, 210, 220, 230 and 240. And one more category is Instagram data. So for this, let me have 180, 190, 200, 210 and 220. So we have different data categories, that is Facebook data, YouTube data, Twitter data and Instagram data. So now let's say I have to put in multiple bar plots in Matplotlib. So for this, let me say x equal to np.arange. I'm using the arange function and I'm finding the length of Facebook data, or you can take YouTube data. It's all the same. It is all having 5 items. So Facebook underscore data. So my x, now if I say print x, it will have 0 to 4. 0, 1, 2, 3 and then 4. Now let me say my y is equal to x plus 0.3. Let's look into it later on. Now I using object oriented plotting, let me say fig comma ax is equal to plt dot subplots. Now let me create my bar chart for Facebook data, for YouTube data, Twitter data and Instagram data. So initially let me say ax dot bar. X is the x-axis is the same. X-axis is x for this first data, first bar chart. Y-axis is Facebook data. Color for this particular bar is blue. Width equal to 0.2 and label is equal to FB. For the legend we require the label, so I'm giving the label as Facebook FB. Similarly, for multiple charts it will have more than one bar chart, so I have to give another 3 bar charts. The second bar chart is for the YouTube data, and x, if we give the same x value it will override, so I'll give x plus 0.2. So first value of x is 0, so this will be 0.2. 0 plus 0.2 becomes 0.2, and this is YouTube data, so let me give it as yt underscore data. This is red in color and label is yt. For the third bar chart, bar graph, I'm giving 0.4. So it will be x plus 0.4. It is x plus 0.4 so that it won't overlap on the previous bar charts. And the data is Twitter underscore data. Color for this is equal to yellow. And this is Twitter TW. For the fourth one, it is x plus 0.6 and the data is Instagram data. Color for this is green and it is Instagram IG. So we have plotted all the 4 graphs at a distance of 0.2 away from each of the previous one. This will be at 0, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6. The next value of x will be 1, so it will be 1, 1.2, 1.4 and then 1.6. Similarly, it will go on till the fourth value because it will span from 0 to 4. Now let me set my xticks. So let me say ax dot set underscore xticks, and that will have the value y, that is x plus 0.3. So initially it will be at 0.3, then 1.3, 2.3, 3.3 and 4.3. Now let me say ax dot set underscore xtick labels, and each of the y value I'll give a label. So first one is Monday. I have to give it in a list format. The second one is Tuesday. Third is Wednesday. Fourth is Thursday. And fifth is Friday. Now I want to give a rotation for the xticks. So I have to give it as plt dot xticks rotation equal to 45. So these was for the ticks. We use the y so that we can give the values at these particular values, that is x plus 0.3. So and I gave a rotation of 45. Now let's give x label and y label. Ax dot set underscore x label, that is equal to days, and ax dot set underscore y label, that is equal to views. Now let me give a title. Let me say ax dot set underscore title. So let me give it as views on social media. Then ax dot legend. So whatever has been given in the label will come to the legend. It will be displayed as FB, YT, TW and IG. And now I have to say plot dot show. So now if I execute my data, my code, I get this particular multiple bar chart. So blue stands for Facebook, red stands for YouTube, yellow stands for Twitter, green stands for Instagram. So on Monday, these are the views which it has got on the various social media platforms. And this is at first this particular value, this is at zeroth index, x is 0, this is x plus 0 0.2, that is 0 plus 0 0.2 is 0 0.2, this is at 0 0.4 and this is at 0 0.6. Now this will be at 1, 1.2, 1.4 and 1.6. 2, 2.2, 2.4, 2.6. Similarly 3, 3.2, 3.4, 3.6, 4, 4.2, 4.4, 4.6. And this Monday will occur at y x plus 0.3 because the ticks is nothing but x plus 0.3. So initially x will be 0. So at 0.3 Monday will occur, 1.3 Tuesday will occur, 3.3 Wednesday will occur, 4.3 Thursday will occur, 3.3 Thursday will occur, Friday will occur at 4.3. And the label for the x-axis is days, y-axis is views, and the title is views on social media. The legend is FB, YT, TW, IG because we had given these as the labels in the individual bar plots. And the color is blue, red, yellow and then green. So this is how we can plot multiple bar charts on Matplotlib. So here we can compare YouTube and Facebook views on Monday were same, whereas the other two were different. So we can compare the data on each of the categories on one particular day. So this comes in handy when we compare data for different categories. So we use multiple bar plots when we want to compare data for different categories on a particular day. In this example, for one particular day, we're comparing the views on Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. So when we want to compare data on different categories on a particular day, we go in for multiple bar plots. So friends, let's recap once again. Facebook data I'm having, YouTube data, Twitter, Instagram. Then I'm saying np.arange. I'm using arange function, finding the length of Facebook data. So it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. So x will have 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. For each of the value of x, y will be the addition of 0.3. So that is 0.3, 1.3, 2.3, 3.3 and 4.3. Then since the bar plot should not overlap, we are giving a distance of 0.2, 0.4 and 0.6 for each of the plots. And we are plotting the different data: Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram. We are giving different colors for it. Width is the same and the label is also different. Then I'm giving my y x ticks which is equal to y, that is 0.3, 1.3, 2.3, 3.3 and 4.3. At these locations I'm giving the labels which is equal to Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. And I'm also giving a rotation of 45 so that the labels will be rotated at an angle of 45 degrees. X label is days, Y label is views, title is views on social media, and legend will take these particular label values. Plot.show displays the plot onto the screen. So hope so friends it was clear for you. A multiple bar graph is a graph that has multiple bars for each category. It compares as many sets of categorical data as you want. It's like creating any other bar graph, but we give different colors for different sets of data. So hope so friends it was clear for you. The multiple bar charts in Matplotlib. So friends, if you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.